vlog video. I'm not gonna lie, this was filmed a couple of weeks ago now, but I wanted to kind of add to it and make it a really Christmassy vlog, but because of Corona and all that, basically all of my necklace has just come undone. All of my Christmassy plans, boxes are literally falling on me. Is it gonna stay? Hopefully. Kind of got cancelled, so I didn't want to waste this footage, so I'm still gonna upload it. It is a bit of a short vlog, so I've just kind of added on like a little haul at the end for you guys. Hopefully you do enjoy that. But yeah, this vlog did actually already have an intro, but I've lost the audio to the first bit of the footage, so yeah, you'll kind of just jump into a random little section in a second. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy. I have so much Christmas content coming this week because I actually forgot it was like the week before Christmas. I don't know why, it just doesn't even seem like December. So yeah, lots of Christmas content coming this week. I basically have a video every single day this week, and a Zara haul and massive giveaway is coming tomorrow. So if you aren't already subscribed, make sure that you are. Other than that, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you in a little bit. I thought I would do a little vlog because we are going to be putting the Christmas tree up tonight. I am so excited. I've got loads of new Christmas decorations and stuff, but I'll show you guys that in a bit. See, I thought I would just intro. I have been cleaning all day. You know when you're finally done, you can take a seat and chill out. That is the feeling right now. I'm going to have a glass of wine. We had a roast dinner last night and I've made myself a stew today, which I'm so happy with. I've never made a stew before. I feel like it actually looks a bit grim on camera, but I'm trying to be healthy. I don't know if you guys watched my last vlog, but we booked a holiday, so I'm trying to get on it. We have booked to go to the Maldives in April. Fingers crossed we can go. So yeah, I just want to tone up a bit, lose a little bit of weight, and just eat healthier and start going to the gym a bit more and stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna kind of like document the process because I have big goals. So fingers crossed we can get there. I've started tracking my food today. It's going to be difficult over the Christmas period, I think. Don't know how that's going to work, but I'll just kind of let myself have some days off. I haven't done my brows today. I've just put some soap in them. You know when people get like an old toothbrush and put soap in them? Just checking in, future Ashleigh, just woken up, so excuse the voice, but yeah, I obviously didn't mean an old toothbrush. I just meant a normal unused toothbrush. But yeah, just thought I'd clear that up. So I'm not really sure how that's going for me. They've actually grown a lot recently, which I'm happy about, but I'm getting them laminated again, I think next week, which I can't wait for because it makes such a difference. So yeah, I guess I'll check back in with you guys when we're putting the tree up. I'm literally so excited. Me and Sean have got matching pajamas. I got them from Primark, so hopefully he'll be on the vlog and I can show you guys that. Okay, so we've just got all of our decorations out. We've got a fake tree again. We do want, well, we do. I want a real tree, but I think we're going to leave it until we move next year. I feel like I've said in every vlog recently we want to move next year. But I thought I'd just show you these Christmas decorations we've got as well. So it's one of Sean and I's friends. Actually, okay, he doesn't want to be in the vlog, but he does that. Actually made these for us. So I will leave her tag on the screen here. It's called The Winter Room, yeah? Yep. It's called The Winter Room. I'll leave her tag down below for you guys as well. And she hand makes these baubles. They're really cute. I will show you guys, obviously, when they're on the tree as well. But we've got the snowman, and then we've got this one. I think it says, yeah, it says love, but it's got these little gold bits in it. Is it going to focus? There you go. And then this one, it's got a little tree in it. I love it because it looks like snow. Is this one a tree as well? Yeah, and then another tree, but it is silver. Obviously it's going to look a lot better when it's on the tree, so I'll show you that properly. Excuse on the mess behind me, we're kind of moving everything around because there's normally drawers here, but I want the tree here so that we can see it more when we're watching like Christmas movies and stuff, because we normally have it here, but you don't really see it that much. So we've had a little shuffle around. And then I've got loads of new tree decorations and this whole box, which is basically all from New York. When we went a couple of years ago, I literally spent like $200 on baubles, I think. How much? You know, $200 on baubles. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little time lapse so you guys can see us doing the tree, and I'll show you after. I've gone for some more like adult decorations this year because we normally have it really colourful, but I kind of wanted to have a bit more of a theme, so I've got more gold, red and green because I've said before I like traditional colours. Okay, so we're gonna put the tree up. We'll do a little time lapse. Sean doesn't like being in the vlogs. But yeah, as I say, I'm hoping it'll look cute. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate just fluffing up the branches. By the way, have you ever met someone who says they don't want to get a vlog and dances like that in front of the camera? Fun fact, Sean actually had a channel before me.
Dancing is my passion.
Didn't you?
Okay.
Didn't you?
Yes.
I'll link it down below.
No, you won't.
I'm joking.
It's getting deleted.
Yeah, so we're going to decorate it, and then I'll probably just check back in with you guys when it's decorated, because it's going to be a really long time lapse. But I'm actually happy. I forgot how big this tree was actually, so did Sean. We thought it was shorter than this. So yeah, hopefully it's going to look good.
Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say.
Okay, I think probably the busiest Christmas tree, but I like it. What do you think, Baba?
Yep.
I think it looks good. We need to put the star on. We do have an angel, but she's just a bit too big, so I'm going to try and find one a little bit smaller. So we're going to put the star on instead.
Is that light better with the light on?
Do you want to put the star on? No, I'll put the star on.
You do it.
It never stays, does it? Did we have to fold this over before? Yeah, do you remember?
Yeah. Can't see the print I got you for our anniversary now.
Yeah. Oh, I did that. Does it look good?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it actually looks good. Okay, so this is it with the lights off. I really want to get a, I think it's called a skirt for the bottom, so you can't see the little stand thing, but I'll try get one at the weekend or something.
That'll get covered with my Christmas presents.
True. How cute. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Stand in front of it. See if it looks cute.
Can't see it. My bald head's annoying. Dodgy, but I've got you balanced on 3 Zara boxes right now. I'm really hoping that you don't fall. You're looking a bit wobbly. Is it gonna stay? I think it's gonna stay. I was really kindly gifted some of this jewellery. I don't have to speak about this at all. I'm just gonna hold it for a minute because I've got a feeling that's gonna fall. But I wanted to show you guys because I've had a lot of questions on what jewellery and stuff I'm wearing recently. So yeah, I thought I would show you. So first things are these earrings. By the way, this is all from a company called Velny. I will leave everything linked down below for you guys, but yeah, these are the earrings. I absolutely love these. They're kind of like a rope detail, but they're really chunky. Like, they're really good quality, and they're not really heavy. I struggle with like really weak earlobes. Is that weird? I feel like it is, but yeah, they don't pull. They're not too heavy at all, so a fan of those. And then I just got this really plain and simple chain detail necklace, which I don't have anything like it. I don't have any plain necklaces, hence why I picked that one up. I'm just going to lay all the jewellery out on the bed because I feel like it's going to be a lot easier to show you guys and go through it. So I picked out 1, 2, 3, 4 necklaces, and I've got some rings and these earrings that I've already just shown you. So we have got these rings. They're all really nice and dainty. They're not too bulky. This one's the chunkiest of them all, and it goes with the earrings, so I love that. But then look how nice this one is. It's like a little diamante eye. It's so beautiful. It really catches the light. This one, I really like this as well, and it's one size because you can stretch it with the gap. And then I got these necklaces. Now this necklace is stunning. Honestly, I haven't seen anything like it before. It's really dainty, but it's so nice and sparkly, but it just looks really feminine and girly, so I love it. You can get this in silver and rose gold also. I will leave everything linked down below for you guys, of course. But it's just got these really cute butterflies on it. I've had so many questions on this one. I think I wore it in my H&M haul and you guys seem to really like it. And then I got this one. It's just got a plain pendant on the end. And then this one is like half a plain chain, half diamante. This I think is going to look lovely with like a square neck top or something. It's a little bit different. So yeah, I thought that was really pretty. As I said, I will leave everything linked down below for you guys. You can get them in loads of different metal colours, so if gold isn't your thing, then you can pick them up in silver or rose gold also. And then I actually I kind of think I know what this is, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure this is from Glossy Box. I know they were sending out Christmas wreaths to people, which if it is, I'm so excited. And I will oh my god, these Zara boxes are not stable. Is that gonna stay? Yeah, if it is, then I will include it in my Christmas morning routine, which will be up on Wednesday. Oh, I think it is. Yeah, it is. I'm so excited about this. How cute is this? I'm gonna unpackage it and then show you guys in a second, and then I will build this on my little Christmas morning routine. How cute. Oh my god, guys, how cute is this? So you literally make it from scratch yourself. I can put this on the front door. I'm so happy about this. So like I say, I'm gonna make that in my Christmas morning routine, so check that out if you would like to see that. But my aesthetic as well, gold, whites, pinks, look at these little berries, how cute is that? But yeah, sorry this vlog has been a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be, kind of all over the show, but as I say, plans got cancelled, but I didn't want to waste this footage, so I hope you guys did still enjoy it. There will be lots of videos up this week, as I say, so if you want to watch some different content, then make sure you check that out. I hope you guys are all doing well. I know it's a bit of a crazy time at the minute, but my DMs are always open. My camera cut out, but as I was saying, if you guys want to message me on Instagram, my DMs are always open. I know it's just nuts at the minute, to be honest, isn't it? So yeah, if you're feeling down or anything, you just want to chat, feel free to message me. I think we're all in the same boat, so yeah, pop over a message, we can rant together. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.